Want to look younger instantly? Classic shag with curtain bangs. Ideal for oval and heart-shaped faces seeking softness. This style frames features perfectly while adding dynamic volume. Edgy short pixie shag. Best suited for confident women with delicate features, offering an instant facial lift and ultra-low maintenance daily styling. Curly textured shag. Designed specifically for natural curls and coils, enhancing natural ringlets while removing excessive weight for a youthful bouncy finish. Long layered shag with wispy bangs. Perfect for long-haired women wanting movement without losing length, beautifully elongating round facial structures instantly. Modern shaggy bob shag lob. Great for fine or thinning hair, creating maximum crown lift and a trendy chic silhouette for mid-length lovers. Modern wolf cut shag. Combines wild volume with structured face framing, giving fine or medium hair types a dramatic youthful boost. Feathered shoulder-length shag. Extremely versatile for busy working women, adding soft piecey movement around the jawline to soften strong features. Soft razor shag with micro bangs. Tailored for trendy fashion-forward personalities, bringing attention straight to the eyes and cheekbones effortlessly. Which hairstyle in this list is your absolute favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Wavy tousled shag. Best for naturally wavy hair textures, achieving an effortless bedhead look that stays full and voluminous all day. Shaggy mullet modern cut. Suited for daring women seeking a bold youthful statement, offering short top layers with rock and roll edge. Mid-length shag with wispy curtain fringe. Flattering for square jawlines, softening angular facial boundaries while maintaining medium-length versatility. Voluminous curly shag with bangs. Ideal for women over 40 looking to revive flat curls, providing instant crown bounce and youthful cheek framing structure. Texturized Bixie shag. Great for active women who want the shortness of a pixie with the piecey textured playfulness of a traditional shag. Long shag with bottleneck bangs. Perfect for round face shapes, slimming the cheeks while creating a soft retro vibe that looks completely effortless. Edgy asymmetrical shag. Suited for artistic personalities wanting a unique head-turning look that draws all eyes to facial symmetry and jawline. Which haircut design featured here matches your personal style best? Tell us the number in the comments. Fine hair volume boosting shag. Specifically crafted for thin hair types, using internal feathered layers to create maximum fullness without thinning out ends. Retro 70s rocker shag. Ideal for vintage lovers, featuring heavy crown layering and full face framing that gives an instant youthful cool girl edge. Wispy layered French shag. Best for low-maintenance beauty routines, delivering French girl chic with soft piecey fringe and subtle natural movement. Short choppy crop shag. Perfect for highlighting high cheekbones, offering a refreshing lightweight style that requires almost zero morning styling. Glamorous long shag with face framing layers. Great for thick hair, removing weight while creating soft cascading layers that lift facial features instantly. Don't forget to drop the number of the hairstyle you loved most in the comments section below.